England Showground. You can get online, www.redfest.com.au, and you'll be able to not only see these great contestants do their stuff at Redfest, but enjoy wonderful talent, the mentors, anything, the Black Stars. Oh my God! Hands up, follow, there we go. Ray has won.